at the George Street line. Yeah.
So we're on the way
See one of them?
to the fish market. So we're going to the fish market and yeah, we're gonna eat and catch fish. Anyways, let's introduce the other two people in the car. We have Yisan here, very serious, and then we have this girl here, Veronica. Say hi. Clearly, she's not camera shy. She's obsessed with selfies too. I'm surprised no one commented on the front truck yet. Truck. Oh. It says, what does it say? This lady just like watch me. I switched to say, oh.
Coconut cream.
Coconut cream, and there's an inside coconut joke amongst us.
Coconut nut is the giant nut.
Cool.
What's wrong with that?
Is coconut a nut or a fruit? It's a fruit, right? But does it have a seed?
Sing the song and you'll know.
Ah!
Dude, your boot's open.
Yeah, clearly they can hear you, Lulu. Dude, your boot's open. Listen to me. It is open.
But maybe it's broken.
Oh my gosh, your shopping's gonna fly out. I see favourites.
Oh, it's an old lady.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna scream at her.
What if she has a heart attack?
Your boot's open just so you know.
Where she knows, how she see it? Like when she looks.
Wouldn't the light turn up?
Light flash?
Yeah. Okay, we'll check back in when we get to our destination. Bye.
A lot.
You're doing it! He's not. What the hell? He's actually not.
How do you even zoom in on this?
He doesn't know how to work the camera.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my god.
I'm not zooming in. Can you relax?
Why is this extended so much?
Oh, no, it's the same thing.
No, it's not. I know how cameras work.
Do you want me to
Ryan.
zoom out then?
Yeah, go back to normal. See?
Yeah, but I didn't do anything.
Oh, he's used that. Oh wait, let's go another way. Who are you zooming? She had dementia. Yours, I can see you zoomed in. Oh my god.
So I'll zoom out. There you go. I'll zoom out.
I just want to move to a cleaner.
Is that where she is? No, you send down that way.
Okay, let's move that way.
Ready to embarrass myself? Vlog!
Oh my god. Chipchone's friends.
We have Yisan here now. And we have some freaking demon birds over here. Hate demon
For
birds.
parking.
Oh, they're looking for parking.
Or a few minutes ago, we just.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, Johnny. I'll protect you. Oh my god, they're crazy. They're flying everywhere.
Close your eyes.
Oh my god, they're full on staring. What the heck?
They're demon birds. What do you expect? This is a scene from the next Fast and Furious movie.
Huh?
I get it. Featuring Yisan Chow and the main star of Star and Furious number 8.
Nat.
And we're now in the city. We're going to visit Yisan's friends at Starbucks. Yisan's very popular these days.
No, not even.
She saw a friend at Coles. Shout out to the mate in Coles. Do you want to say hi to the mate in Coles? I'm not going to say his name.
Hey, Pete.
And now we're going to see another mate of hers in Starbucks. What's his name start with?
H.
Well, whoever you are, shout out to you as well.
They say good shoes.
Oh yeah, good shoes will take you to good places. Took you to the fish markets today.
He whispered, he was just like, I love this place. I'm like, I think out of all of us, Brian has enjoyed himself the most.
I love the
Out of the three of us.
Did he actually say?
No, he did.
I heard it too.
I whispered it to both of you.
Place. And I'm like, okay.